Welcome to this BackupAssist instructional video for MSPs. How to get started with BackupAssist ER. Craig with the Client Success team here, and I'll be your guide today. During this brief video, you will learn what BackupAssist ER is and how to install and register BackupAssist ER with your managed backup console. Let's get started. BackupAssist ER is a backup and recovery product that provides cyber resilience for your data and business. This means it not only protects your files and servers, it also helps your business recover from adverse cyber events such as hacking, ransomware, and malicious cyber attacks. BackupAssist ER was designed from the ground up with these threats in mind and provides cyber resilience through the implementation of features such as ransomware detection, layered protection, image to the cloud, and zero-knowledge encryption. These features help safeguard your company's future. For layered protection, our best practice disk-to-cloud backup job creates a fast local backup, then replicates that backup to the cloud destination. The local backup is easy and quick to use for file, application, and full system recoveries. Having a backup in the cloud means you also have an offline copy of your data that is insulated from cyber threats such as ransomware and hacking. CryptoSafeguard is a built-in feature that protects your backups from ransomware by scanning the data to be backed up for possible signs of ransomware. If a potential infection is found, all backup jobs are blocked from running. CryptoSafeguard also prevents unauthorized processes from creating, deleting, or updating data in your backups. As for encryption, when you back up to the cloud, your cloud provider will encrypt your data for security. BackupAssist ER provides an additional layer of vendor-independent encryption before the data is sent across the internet. This means the data is protected through the entire process. Your cloud provider cannot see your backup files, and your data is protected even if your cloud provider's encryption is compromised. Additionally, we integrate with Amazon AWS, Microsoft Azure, and other third-party cloud storage providers. BackupAssist ER has Amazon Web Services and Microsoft Azure integration out of the box, along with Wasabi and S3 compatibility. This means that each of these popular cloud solutions has their own destination configuration screen within BackupAssist ER. We provide companion setup guides for AWS, Azure, and Wasabi to augment each cloud provider's own documentation. ER also provides flexible backups. Every backup is an incremental image backup that can be used in a bare metal recovery. All backup jobs are VSS aware, so application consistent backups are created when backing up Microsoft VSS applications and databases. And if you have backups of servers that no longer use BackupAssist ER, or if a server that BackupAssist ER is installed on is no longer available, any other BackupAssist ER installation can locate those backups and use them in a recovery. Also, our imaging engine creates reverse incremental backups, so the latest backup is always the full backup. This means recoveries are faster to run and you are freed from relying on backup chains. If a backup is interrupted during the critical reversal process, it will be repaired by the next backup. ER also results in low impact image to cloud. Your live server data is only used to create the fast local backup. The local backup is then replicated to the cloud destination by the same backup job. This means the backup window is minimized, and sending the image over the internet to the cloud has no impact on the live server's availability. We also focused on efficiency in imaging to the cloud. When the local backup is replicated to the cloud, it is compressed and deduplicated, minimizing the data that needs to be transferred. The image is also sent in managed chunks so that any interruptions do not endanger the integrity of the data and you can throttle the transfer speed to minimize any impact on your network. Now let's log into your MBC account. You should have the URL link in your welcome letter to the Managed Backup console, but it is mbc-us.backupassist.com. Your username is the email address that you provided for the account, and the password will either be the temporary one that you received or a permanent password that you created. The first step is creating a new client. You'll see in the left-hand menu column directly beneath the header the word Organization, and then the fields Clients and Device Groups. And in the upper right-hand corner is the blue Create New Client button. The next page has just one field where you will enter the company name of your new client and then Submit to create. Creating a new device group is optional. Depending on the size and complexity of your client's installation, you may wish to identify devices by location, department, or some other defining attribute. Each client will automatically have one default device group created using the client's organization name. Note that you can create new clients and associated devices in the MBC prior to installing software on the user end, and they will be available when you are ready to register your installations. Or, alternatively, you can create the clients and device groups from the software console on the user's end. Now let's install BackupAssist ER. As we navigate further down the menu, the next header is Products with two more options, Installations and Software Builds, which is where you will find the reseller downloads that are compatible with your Managed Backup console. I have filtered them to show only BackupAssist ER. They are listed chronologically. In the box is the current build, and the installer choices are directly to the right. Above the build is an arrow pointing to a hot link for the release notes. The next screen will present the BackupAssist End User License Agreement, so once you've read the agreement and would like to proceed, select I accept the terms of the license agreement and click Next. The following screen will ask you to confirm or change the installation destination. If you would like to install BackupAssist ER to a location different to the one shown, use the Change button and browse to the required location, then select OK and click Next. The next screen will give you a chance to go back and modify your selections. Now click Install. BackupAssist ER will now begin to install on your computer. Once BackupAssist ER has been installed, a completion screen will be displayed. Click Finish. Note, a reboot will be required if you're installing BackupAssist ER on a computer that does not have an earlier version of BackupAssist ER, or if any system or framework files need to be installed. Now we can launch the BackupAssist application on the computer. Next you'll see the registration screen. You're actually logging into your own Managed Backup console here to register this particular installation. The credentials will be the same as you use for your Managed Backup console, typically the email you use to create the account and either the temporary password we've provided or a permanent password that you've created yourself. Once you've logged onto the MBC, you'll be presented with the clients and the device groups that you've created, or you can create them on premise at your client's location. This will complete the installation and registration of this particular copy of BackupAssist ER. And then you will see the registration information giving you details about the product, the account, the subscription information, and device information. This can be found again on the application itself or in your Managed Backup console. Oh, congratulations! BackupAssist ER is now installed. This concludes what is BackupAssist ER and how to install it for MSPs. If you have questions or require personal assistance, please feel free to contact us by email at sales@backupassist.com or call Client Success directly at 1-812-206-1691. Please look for additional Backup Assist instructional videos, including setting up local and cloud backup jobs, as well as notifications and email reports. We appreciate the opportunity to earn your business and to serve you. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.